My name is Dai Shizuka. I'm an assistant professor at the School of Biological Sciences. My research really focuses on the social aspects of life. So I'm really fascinated by how animals are affected by the social relations that they have. Individuals are constantly being replaced because living organisms live and die and they move. And one empirical study that I'm engaging in is the social networks of migratory birds. But in a larger scale, I'm really interested in understanding this process just very generally across all animals and all humans. One of the reasons understanding social networks is important is that it influences all aspects of our lives that are impacted by contact and social relations. So the spread of disease, the spread of information, why we cluster together into groups and why we don't, how we develop social relations, all of that is impacted by the structure of a social network.